The Dell KM717 is an excellent wireless keyboard for a certain user. Now let me explain. Okay, first of all, let's get the included mouse out of the way. It's fine as a backup mouse, but it's nothing compared to an MX Master and the likes. It's flimsy and cheap feeling, but the tracking is adequate for general use. Now let's talk about that keyboard. It's an excellent one, simply put. The keys travel is very pleasing and it feels responsive and sharp. Many chiclet style keyboards such as the Logitech Craft tend to feel a bit mushy, but this one does feel very sharp. The build quality of the board is extremely good. It's an aluminium top plate with a plastic backing that feels super sturdy. There's little to no keyboard flex and the rubber pads seem to be perfectly capable of preventing the board from sliding around. Now, arguably the most important factor in a wireless keyboard is the connection. Unfortunately, that's where I had some problems with the KM717 keyboard. The connection with Bluetooth kept cutting out, and the connection with the USB receiver was only working when the dongle was around 10 inches from the keyboard. I reached out to the seller and got a replacement which seems to work fine. If I encounter any further problems, I will update the video description. If you are looking for an excellent non-mechanical typing experience in a very convenient wireless board, this is the one to get. It's cheaper than the competitors, and the only real gripes I could come up with is the lack of backlighting and the fact that you can't adjust the feed in different angles. I've done a ton of research in this market and I would say that the KM717 keyboard is the best you can get in this category. I've not decided if I prefer this to mechanical keyboards yet, however I have ordered the Ant Pro 2 and will be giving you guys my verdict on the keyboard as soon as possible. Stay tuned for that and I'll see you next time.